Hey, Mr. Mark here with an Amazon Fulfilled by Merchant profit sheet for those of you who are doing Fulfilled by Merchant sales on Amazon. And the way this works is you will enter the ASIN here for the product. You can enter the name of your product just so you know which product you're referring to. And I'll just go right into it with the original cost of the item. So let's say you purchased an item for $5 a unit. You determine shipping the item to the buyer may cost you as much as $8. So you place an 8 in here for cost of shipping to buyer. You then have to know the percentage for the Amazon fee or referral fee. If you don't know your referral fee, I actually have a link here which will take you straight to that page on your Seller Central account. You'll have to sign into your account. So let's say I determine that the fee is 15%. This then calculates the break-even shipping included. So this is telling me that I need to charge over $15.29 if I want to make a profit. So just a quick example, if I put $15.29, you'll see that my profit is exactly 0. Alright, so that's what this is telling me, and this is for the total sale. Alright, so I have to either charge $15.29 or I would have to have a total of $15.29, right? But anyway, the main point is I have to charge more than this. So I'm going to go to $19.99. For instance, I'm just going to try that price out. Let's say I decide I'm going to charge $5. In fact, $4.99 for the shipping. And so my total sale is going to be $24.98. This is what the buyer will have to pay to me. Right? The buyer will have to pay me $24.98. All right, this plus this. Now, the fees are then calculated automatically by taking the Amazon fee times the total sale. So this will be your fees. Then your net payment, which is simply your total sale minus your fees, but also minus your cost of shipping, because I know that when I fulfill by merchant orders, I usually use the buy shipping button so that the shipping comes right out of my Amazon account. So that will be subtracted also from your payment. So you end up with $13.23. Your profit is then your net payment. You're going to take this payment, which is what you're going to get from Amazon, and you're going to subtract the original cost of your item, which was $5, and this is what you're left with, $8.23, right? Because remember, again, we already subtracted the shipping in here and the fees. So now all we're doing to get the profit is just subtracting the original cost of the item, and that leaves me with $8.23 profit. My margin is 32.96%, which means $8 is about 33% of $25, in other words, if I round it off. That's the profit margin. And then you have return on investment, which is 164.66%, meaning the $8 is 165% of what I invested, the $5. So I made back 165% of what I invested, which was the $5. Return on investment, also called markup. So that is how this works. And I suppose you could use this sheet this way as a way to predict profit on an item where you know the cost and where you can figure the cost of shipping. You could also potentially use it as an order sheet where as you get orders, you can determine the profit per order. In that case, you would want to have an order number and things like that. In fact, I will throw something like that together, if anything, which might be on a separate video. But right now, this is a general profit sheet that you can use for Fulfilled by Merchant sales. If you scroll down, the top row is locked. You should only be filling in the sections that are white, as not to delete the formulas. I will leave it unprotected so that you can add columns if you wish. And when you scroll down, you'll see that, of course, the formula, the table ends at this point. And if you want to get more rows, just simply highlight across go on this lower right hand corner. You place the mouse pointer right over that lower right hand corner. You just drag the mouse down, and when you drag it down, the formulas will be extended, the rows will be extended, so that you can add more items and do more calculations. I'm going to undo that and leave it like this for you. And so this is again just one example, and that's pretty much how it works. So hopefully you'll find this profit sheet useful. If you do, there's a link in the description of this video for you to download and use the spreadsheet. It will be provided as an Excel sheet and also as a Google Sheet link in case you prefer Google Sheets. And of course, it is also possible to download Google Sheets to Excel and to upload Excel sheets into Google. But I'm going to go ahead and provide two links. You'll download the sheet to Excel, but you also have a link to open it on Google Sheets. You just have to click the link to subscribe, and which really all that does is allows me to keep you updated in case I create more spreadsheets, which I will. And I do have plenty of other spreadsheets on a few other mini channels that I've started for different types of sellers. So definitely subscribe so I can keep you updated and send you new copies and new updates of these spreadsheets. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to leave any comments, suggestions, or questions below. Definitely like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to be a part of this channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.